Knock off.
Well, we're waiting.
Hey, look here. It's us, those Weekend Golf Guys. John Ashton in studio, intrepid producer Mark Hunter at the controls, and in New York, Mr. Jeff Smith. Yeah,
That's right.
I don't know what, Broadway teaching people how to swing a golf club, or what are you doing up there, man?
I tell you, it's Wall Street, Grand Central Station, top of the Empire State Building. I will give a golf lesson any place you let me.
I can just see Jeff walking down now and his going, "Hey, you want a golf lesson?"
Come here. I got something for you. How about this? I got this trench coat. I got this trench coat on. I open the thing up. I got a sandwich hanging on my left
That's
sleeve.
right.
Going, come on, man. I got something right here for you.
I got a putter. What do you need, buddy?
Yeah.